Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Ram 2500 headlights. First, gather your tools like a ratchet and a 10 mm socket. You'll need these to tackle the retaining bolts. Once you have your tools ready, open the hood of your truck. Look for the two bolts positioned on top of the headlight assembly. These are the first ones to remove. After removing the initial bolts, gently pull the headlight assembly forward. This action will give you access to the electrical connectors located on the back. Carefully disconnect each of these harnesses. There might be a red tab to pull back and a black tab to push in for some connectors. Make sure all wires are completely free before attempting to pull the headlight out further. With the electrical connections detached, you can now carefully guide the entire headlight assembly out of its housing. It might be held by a white clip or a grommet that needs to be released from the fender liner. Once removed, take a moment to inspect the housing area for any accumulated debris or damage. This is also an excellent opportunity to replace any old or burnt-out bulbs before reinstallation. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps you just followed, ensuring all connections are secure and the assembly is properly seated. Before tightening everything down, turn on your truck and test all the light functions, including high beams, low beams, and turn signals, to confirm they work correctly. Then, secure all bolts. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.